Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, take out your computer. Science for Schools. Click start. And today we will do chapter number 5. We will do reading of this chapter. Formatting text in Paint. What are the learning objectives? You will learn about text tool. And number 2, text tab. Number 3, parts of the text tab. Okay, these are the learning objectives. Introduction. There may be times when you might like to include some text in your drawings. Okay, so for example, while making a birthday card for your friend in Paint, you might want to write happy birthday. So in Paint, you write the text using the text tool. So let's see what is the text tool. Text tool. This is the image of text tool. The text tool is used for inserting text in a picture. Whenever you make any card, okay, and you want to send to your friend or to your family member, but you want to write something, so you have to know how to text in your card. So using the text tool, how you have to use the text tool, what are the steps of text? Number 1, click on the text tool in the tools group of the home tab. As you can see in this figure, students, look at this A letter. This is the text tool. So first of all, you click on the text tool. Okay, and number 2, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Now, which is your drawing area? So you will move the pointer to the drawing area. And notice that the mouse pointer changes to I-shaped cursor. Okay, students, then number 3, click and drag the mouse where you want to insert text. You can see here. So a dotted rectangle with a blinking cursor appears. The text you type will appear within this box. And number 4, type my drawing. As here, type my drawing using the keyboard. Okay, students, now next point, typing text in color. How we can type text in color? Number 1, there are some steps. Click on the text tool in the tool groups of the home tab. Click on the text tool. As you can see here, text tool. First of all, click on text tools. Number 2, drag the cursor to draw a text box in the drawing area. Then in your drawing area, drag the cursor. Number 3, click on color 1. Then click on color 1. This is the color 1. Select green color from the colors plate of the text tab. Okay, then click on the green color. Number 4, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area again. Again, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. This is the drawing area. You can see here green color text. Okay, now click inside the text box to insert text. Number 6, type green color text here. Type green color text using the keyboard. You have the keyboard of your computer, so by using the keyboard, type green color text. Changing the background color of a text box. How you can change the background color of your text box. Follow these steps to change the background color of the text box. Number 1, click on the text tool as I showed you the text tool. Okay, text tool. Click on the text tool, then select color 2. You can see here the color 2. And say yellow from the colors plate of the text tab. Then number 3, select opaque in the background group. You can see here opaque option. Okay, then select opaque option. First text 2, then color 2, then opaque options in the background group, and move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. This is the drawing area. Move the pointer to the drawing area. And students, number 5, click and drag to create a text box. Click and drag. Okay, click and drag to create a text box. This is the text box. So with the selected background color, and type the text by using your keyboard. Okay, now moving a text box. How to move a text box? You can move the text box within the drawing area. We can move it. Let's see how. Number 1, move the mouse pointer. Move the mouse pointer to the boundary of the text box. When the mouse pointer changes to a cross, you can see. So when the mouse pointer changes to a cross with 4 arrow heads, this one, you can see here, this one. So drag the text, then drag it like this. Drag the text box to a new location in the drawing area. Changing the width of a text box. So for changing the width of a text box, we have to follow these steps. Number 1, with the text box, still selected, move the mouse pointer to the small middle squares on the left or right boundary of the text box, as you can see here in this figure. Changing the width. Okay, now the mouse pointer changes to a double-headed, as you can see here, the double-headed arrow. Then drag the double-headed arrow, then drag it. Okay, drag the double-headed arrow away from the text box to increase the width. Drag it inwards to decrease the width, and when we will drag it outward, it will increase, and when we will drag it inward, the width will be decrease. Okay students, I hope you understand. So do these steps on your computer and to start writing text and how to increase its width. So do it practically by using your computer. Okay students, and also do reading to understand it well. Take care. Allah Hafiz.